Hey guys, in today's video I'll be doing a review and install on some snow chains by Security Chain Company. They come in a nice blue bag. I don't know the exact model off the top of my head, but I'll go ahead and leave that on the description below, along with the product link of where you can purchase it. Do some unpackaging for you. Again, they come in a nice bag. We have two, I guess these are called tensioners. Of course, the installation instructions. And looks like they come with two gloves inside. Two plastic gloves. I don't recommend using these gloves. Maybe buy some better quality gloves and just leave it inside the bag. And of course you got the chains itself. Alright, so first thing you want to do is roll them out in the front tires. They look good quality. Nice strong cables. Right, when you roll them out, you want to make sure that you have what's labeled tire side. You want that facing up. There you go. So this will be leaning against the tire. Okay, you have that on both sides. And when you lay them out, you want to make sure you have this buckle toward the tire. Alright, so you want to go ahead and unbuckle this. Just like that. Alright, now that you got that unbuckled, you're going to wrap this around the tire. Just like so. Alright, let me show you how I got it. Just like that. Alright, next you want to go under, and that buckle, that gold buckle you saw earlier, we want to buckle that together. Alright, as you can see, I just put my hand through the wheel and buckled it. Alright, so first I'm gonna go ahead and buckle the inner one first and then move on to the outer one. I'm just kind of feeling it blindly, seeing how I can buckle it. I think I got it. Then you want to grab the rear, or the front, sorry, and buckle that together. Just like so. Alright. Next you want to grab your tensioner. And I guess just put them on. I kind of like doing it in a star pattern. All right, there it is. Just trying to see how much gap there is, so I don't want to ruin the wheels. And looks like there's a fair amount of space, so it doesn't curb the wheel. Oh, and guess what? I found the model number, SZ435. All right, folks, there it is. A quick review of how to install some snow chains on a 2019 Honda Pilot. Again, if you found this video helpful, don't forget, comment below, let me know what you think, and like and subscribe.